As you can see, the fridge is empty. If you don't want to run out of ingredients during the week, plan ahead, plan on Sunday. Hello good people, Jacie is my name, and here we are all about simple living. In today's episode, we're going to do a Sunday reset with you. I will start by shopping for the things that we need and how I make sure that I shop for only the items that we need. I take stock of what is in stock before I go shopping, so that I don't end up shopping unnecessary items and also getting stuff that we already have in stock or stuff that we are not going to fit in my cooking or whatever we plan to cook for the week. So let's get to the video. As you can see, the fridge is empty, but I have some stock in the freezer, and this is stock that I just left. When you're traveling or when you will be away, it's very important to have some food in the fridge just in case you come and you don't have anything to cook the first night. So we have maize, black beans, we have lamb casserole, we have pork, we have beef, sausages, chicken, and green grams. We also had some chicken, which is what I have removed to be prepared for dinner today. Before we stock up, we are going to clean the fridge. As you can see, it's not so bad, but these parts are not quite clean, so that's why I want to start by cleaning. The fruits I got, I have these pawpaws are very expensive. I'm still in shock. That was 200. Can you imagine? Then we have mangoes. Okay, then we have bananas. Okay, then we have these kind of avocados, they are raw. And then pineapple, I got 2. And what else? And I got the white supporter, this one. Okay, and another pineapple here, and a watermelon, here is this one. Let us know what else you would like us to share, and also share with us what you have learned so that we can also learn from you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new, kindly consider subscribing. If you're returning, thank you so much for your continued support. We value you. See you on the next one. Bye.